Welcome to the Fareclock Demo. This video will guide you through the key features of Fareclock. Fareclock is a workforce time and attendance solution that enables organizations to track workers' time, manage schedules, process payroll, and ensure compliance. Let's get started. For face recognition, there are 3 ways to enroll a face model. First, through the worker self-enrollment on the mobile app. Note that the access to the worker list for face enrollment in the mobile app is an admin-protected function. The next one is during the first clock in on a device and the admin needs to approve. And through the worker's profile in the admin console. To manually enroll a face model, go to the user's profile. Use the device camera to capture the user's face. Fareclock will automatically generate a face model. The face recognition process is fast, secure, and reliable. It ensures accurate identification and prevents spoofing. In face settings, enable liveliness detection to prevent the use of photos and videos. The system will display a red prompt notification if a static image is detected, helping to prevent body punching and fraudulent entries. Now to begin setting up geo-mapping, go to Settings and Devices. Here you can define virtual boundaries for your job sites by creating geofences. You can draw a geofence either as a circle by setting a radius around the point, or as a polygon by selecting multiple points to outline an irregular area. Once geofences are established, assign them to specific jobs, teams, or devices. This helps ensure workers are clocking in and out within authorized locations. Enable live tracking to monitor workers' GPS locations in real time during their shifts. In the map view, you can see current positions of all clocked-in workers. You can also follow each worker's breadcrumb history, a visual route of where they have been during their shift. And you can enable auto clock out to automatically clock workers out when they exit the geofenced area. With geo-mapping and live tracking, admins gain better visibility and control, helping ensure accountability and safety on every job site. Next, let's take a look at how to manage work schedules. Go to Manage, then select Schedule. Use shift classes to apply recurring schedules across multiple workers. Assign shifts using the drag-and-drop interface. You can also build rotating and fixed shifts. Assign shifts based on geofence or job. And apply schedules to entire teams. Fareclock provides a wide range of scheduling settings such as minimum or maximum hours, overlapping shift rules, and grace periods. You can also configure breaks. These can be automatic or manual depending on your needs. Revision rules let you control how punches are adjusted based on the schedule. You can apply rules for rounding start and end times, setting grace periods, and managing work outside regular shift hours. Schedules update in real time and appear in the worker's mobile app. Workers will receive shift reminder alerts as part of attendance monitoring. Job costing in Fareclock allows you to track labor hours and wages against specific jobs, job phases, and cost codes. To set up, go to Settings, then select Costing. From here, you can create a job and define its components. Jobs are the main assignments or project locations, like packaging. Job phases represent specific tasks or stages, such as receiving. And cost codes categorize the type of work, like sorting or labeling. Once configured, you can assign jobs to individual workers or teams. During clock-in, workers select appropriate job, job phase, or cost code directly from their device. You can enable auto-select by geofence, so the system assigns the correct job automatically based on the worker's location. Use advanced permissions to control which workers can view or access specific jobs, job phases, or cost codes. The payroll calculator in Fareclock automates wage calculations based on your organization's pay structure. Pay classes define groups of workers based on how they're paid, such as hourly, semi-monthly, or monthly. Each class can have its own rules for overtime settings. Pay codes are labels applied to hours worked, such as regular, overtime, or holiday. Each code can have custom multipliers and formulas to determine how it's included in payroll. For more control, apply pay code rules based on days of the week, time of day, and date of the year. Workers can view their pay stubs directly in the mobile app. Stubs include gross earnings, deductions, and net pay, offering immediate payroll transparency. Fareclock also includes a net pay calculation feature that handles both gross and post-deduction pay computations. This section includes adjustment codes. It is used to apply bonuses, allowances, or deductions, such as uniform fees or meal allowances. And statutory deductions covers tax or government-mandated withholdings. You can configure deduction schedule, rates, and applicable rules based on legal requirements. Fareclock provides a range of built-in reports to help you analyze attendance, payroll, and job performance data. You can access this from the Reports menu in the Admin console. Key report types include time reports. It shows hours worked, including regular, overtime, and break times. Job costing summaries. It displays total hours and associated costs per job, job phase, or cost code, helping track labor distribution and project efficiency. Payroll reports provide wage calculations based on time worked, pay codes, pay classes, and any applied adjustments or deductions. Use total reports for detailed analysis. You can group and organize data by rows and columns, such as by job, date, or worker, to easily compare totals. Reports can be filtered by date range, org unit, department, user labels, individual workers, jobs. You can also customize column visibility to focus on the most relevant data for your team. If you regularly generate the same report, use the Memorize Reports feature. You can save a report's filter settings and schedule it for automatic delivery via email on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. These reports are exportable in multiple formats such as CSV or PDF for easy integration into external payroll or analysis tools. Manage worker time off through the Time Off feature. This tool allows you to assign time off to individual workers or apply it in bulk across multiple users. Start by defining accrual policies. This determines how worker earn time off based on seniority. Next is fixed rate and hours worked. Create time off codes to categorize time off types such as vacation, sick, personal, and unpaid time off. Each code can be configured whether it's paid or unpaid. Use the holiday calendar to define observed holidays in your organization. These holidays can be auto-applied as paid time off for relevant workers. From the mobile app, workers can view their available balances, submit time off requests, and attach optional notes. Admins receive notifications that can approve or deny requests directly from the admin dashboard. Time cards let you manage worker attendance records with flexibility and control. You can update individual shifts or make bulk changes to handle attendance details efficiently. Within each time card, you can edit punch times to correct or fill in missing entries, adjust shifts as needed for accuracy, add or modify time-off entries directly within the time card, and assign jobs to ensure proper job costing. You can also view summaries of total hours, flag exceptions like missed punches, and print or export records as needed. Time cards streamline workforce management by offering a centralized, modifiable view of worker time data, ready for payroll or review. Fareclock supports integrations with third-party platforms to synchronize data across your time, payroll, and HR systems. From the admin console, go to Settings and Integrations. In the Connections tab, view and manage available connections. You can create a connection to supported providers such as QuickBooks Online and Xero. For more control, use templates to customize how your data is shared with these platforms. You can also integrate using the Fareclock API, which allows you to build custom workflows and automate data exchange with other systems. Let's go over some features in Fareclock that help you work more efficiently. Start with bulk import and update. You can quickly add or update users, jobs, or schedules, saving time when managing large teams. Next, there's notifications. Admins receive alerts directly in the console for actions that need approval, such as time of request or missed punches. You can review and approve this without switching tabs or leaving your workflow. On the mobile app, workers can submit missed punches, time of requests, and even view their pay stubs. This makes it easy for workers to manage their time and payroll info on the go without needing admin assistance. These tools help keep daily operations smooth for both admins and workers. Fareclock provides real-time alerts for key features. Workers receive shift reminders before their scheduled shift begins. This helps reduce late arrivals and missed punches. With live tracking enabled, the system sends alerts when a worker leaves a defined geofence and loses GPS signal. Once an admin approves or rejects a time of request, the system sends a notification to the worker. Workers can also receive alerts for scheduled breaks. These alerts help workers stay on track throughout the shift. Fareclock includes a set of HR and compliance tools to help organizations manage workforce requirements and stay aligned with company policies. Briefings show important messages or policy reminders during clock-in. This can include safety notices, daily instructions, or compliance acknowledgements. You can set briefings to appear once or on a recurring basis. The system logs who has seen each message. For custom fields, collect extra data for users, punches, or shifts. Choose the field types like text, checkbox, number, or drop-down. You can also set rules such as making the field required, sensitive, or unique per user. This is useful for things like safety checks, equipment tracking, or internal codes. In credentialing, manage worker certifications and licenses by uploading required documents and setting expiration dates. This applies to credentials like driver's licenses, training certificates, and work permits. These HR and compliance features support your internal policies while also helping meet external labor, safety, and certification requirements. This concludes the Fareclock demo. Now you know the basics of how it helps manage time, schedules, payroll, and more. For more information, visit our website or reach out to support.